Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Greens First Pro. This is their berry flavor. It's got pomegranate, mangosteen, acai, as you guys can read. It's non-GMO vegan. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. I'm going to do a quick taste test. Yeah, I got this at a trade show and then going to do a quick taste test, see how it actually tastes. So, let's see what it smells like. It smells okay. Alright, so let's try this out. Alright, here we go. Okay, so it doesn't have a it's a berry flavor, but it doesn't have any sour taste or anything like that. It's actually very sweet. It has that stevia taste to it, so I'm pretty sure they use stevia in here. Cranberry juice powder, and so it's Lohan actually fruit. So it's not stevia, it's Lohan. So yeah, it's sweet tasting. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.